Alright.
Close the box.
You do know that she puked, right? In the car?
I took a dump and ate it all up. No, I'm just kidding.
This is our new addition, Chloe. We got her because we thought she was supposed to look like Buddha. She doesn't really look like Buddha, but she is cute. Hey, baby.
Do it again. And here's the prettiest dog.
Oh, that's Katie. Chloe.
I have to go away.
Here, Alex is going to make out with the dog some more.
No, she made out with me.
Oh.
Good.
That's so gross.
Stop.
There was something wrong with your kid, babe.